All right, something that can be a little bit tricky as you're piecing together this information from our equations and the stories that we hear about as we're making sense of them and putting them into math form is that we're going to write an equation from just 2 points, okay? And you might think, well, I don't have enough information, Mrs. Landers, to do that. But you do, okay? So all you have to do is if you've been given 2 points, you know how to use at this point those 2 points to get the slope, right? So use those points to find the slope, and then, okay, you've got 4 pieces of information in those equations, right? Y, M, X, and B. So if you know 3 of those 4 things, you can solve for that missing 4th thing. So you're going to plug in the slope and the coordinates of one of your points. It doesn't matter. If you know the slope, which is M, and you know a point, that's an X and a Y combo, that means you know 3 out of 4 things. That 4th thing you don't know. So then you just simply solve for it, right? Just like you would solve an equation. And then just plug back in slope and your y-intercept into that format, and you've written the equation from 2 points. Okay, so let's do a quick example. If I have these 2 points, and I said, okay, I want to find my slope first. Well, 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 4, because we have to do our y, subtract your y's, and then subtract your x's. 2 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. So our slope is negative 1/2. Okay? If I plug that in with one of my points, negative 1/2, I'm going to pick the easier one. This one's just 2, 2. I could have picked 4, 1. I could have put 4 here and 1 here. But 2, 2 made my life a little easier. So now I'm going to go ahead and multiply 2 times negative 1/2. You could ask yourself, what's half of 2? And then make it a negative, right? Half of 2 is 1. It's negative 1. So 2 equals negative 1 plus b. And in order to get b all by itself and solve for it, I'm going to add that 1 to both sides. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and then I have my b. So now I know what b is. Okay, b is going to be 3. So b goes right here. It's a positive 3. And then my slope, we said earlier on, was negative 1/2. Okay, that is the equation for my line when I've only been given 2 points. Any 2 points will get you the solution that you're looking for.